All right, here you see my sugar cookies. I let them cool for about 10 minutes. You can see now they're relatively crispy. These will be a little bit softer on the inside. You'll see when you break them apart. And nice brown on the bottom. The thinner cookies, as you can see, cooked a lot faster. So if you're going to do cookies that you're cutting out, you might want to actually either do them separately from the drop cookies, or you're going to want to leave them a lot thicker. And also, if you want a more defined shape, because clearly this is no longer a star, it's more of a blob, then you're going to want to make sure you do get the dough nice and cold. But for the drop cookies, it doesn't have to be cold at all. You'll see these are much crunchier. So all in all, this whole recipe is really easy to make from start to finish. It'll take you probably about 15 minutes. Well, I guess 20 minutes cooking the 20 to 25 minutes when you actually put the cookie time into it, but 15 minutes to actually make the dough. And you can make the dough in advance and actually keep it in your fridge and use it for up to probably 3 or 4 days later. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Check out some other videos on Expert Village and enjoy your sugar cookies.